We launched Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center first dealing with bioidentical hormone replacement, wellness, and vitamin deficiencies. And after several years of many of our patients asking, look, you're helping me feel great, but what can you do to help me look better, to kind of go with how I'm feeling? So that's when we decided, after a couple of years of research, to open up the whole aesthetic part. So not only helping them on the inside, but help them on the outside. So we started dealing with injectables and top-line lasers, state-of-the-art laser equipment, and other treatments that will help people not only feel great, but also look younger.
Devin and I sat down and tried to figure out what's the very best way that we could reach across the country and even internationally, for that matter. We wanted to spread this message and this opportunity, and you can only do so much with so many people, right? We felt that the best way to do this would be to start a franchising company and teach other people how to do what we do.
I'm just elated about Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center. We're opening up our 5th and 6th location in 4 years, which is amazing because it's a big process to do just one. The employees we have are outstanding. I couldn't be happier. When our customers come into Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, we strive to set a culture of a cut above a regular med spa. We're from Beverly Hills, and we think that we want our customers to think that we bring along cutting-edge techniques that are from Beverly Hills, as well as just a top-notch, first-class facility. I've been very, very happy with the support from the franchisor, from BHRC, Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center. I do own other franchises, and I got to tell you that in this particular franchise, it is probably the best support I've received out of all the franchises that I've owned. I'm very happy with them.